The Indochinese Green Magpie. These two birds with slightly scruffy head feathers boast stunning blue-green plumage. The black feathers around their eyes resemble smoky eye makeup, making them stand out among birds. They thrive in both primary and secondary mountain forests, where they stay busy hunting insects in the lower canopy, much like diligent little guardians of the woods. Indochinese green magpies usually move in pairs or small groups, calling out with loud voices. However, they rarely show themselves, making them even more mysterious.